Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how does Celsius burn body fat answered. Start by measuring baseline weight and tracking nutrition. Take Celsius about 20 to 30 minutes before exercise. Combine with steady cardio or interval training. Listen to your body and hydrate well throughout the session. I'll guide you through mechanisms, practical timing tips, and how to pair Celsius with workouts for safer, more consistent fat loss results. Celsius combines stimulants and thermogenic compounds to raise energy expenditure and promote fat oxidation when paired with activity. Caffeine provides an immediate boost, while green tea extract sustains fat mobilization during workouts. Other components help maintain performance and reduce perceived exertion so you can train harder or longer. Use it as a tool alongside consistent diet and exercise, not as a standalone fat loss solution. For best outcomes, if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation. The product you see here, Bento Box, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, makes portioning pre- and post-workout meals simple and less messy. I find them great for consistency with calories and protein. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a single serving to assess tolerance, especially if sensitive to stimulants, and keep caffeine from other sources in mind. Pair Celsius with a balanced meal plan and regular resistance work to protect muscle mass while losing fat. Track progress with measurements and performance instead of just the scale. If you feel jittery, reduce dose or skip pre-workout timing and consult health guidance when needed for personalized adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.